way to our first Florida beach house. It's been a long journey, and this has been one of the goals and dreams for a long time. And the end of 2025, we wrote the goal down in the beginning of 2025 to have a vacation home in Florida. If you remember, we put that we wanted a vacation home.
Vacation home purchase, investment home purchase, and real estate portfolio continues to grow.
And we're about to pull up to the house for the first time. And it's a surreal feeling. Feel blessed and humbled that, you know, the hard work definitely pays off, especially when you work hard consistently year over year. It's also a good investment because this property is already bringing in Airbnb income, so it's already a short-term rental. And the goal is that the short-term rental will pay the majority of the mortgage, hopefully all of it or more, after we do some work in there and upgrade it, market it the right way, because all that stuff matters. I say in sales you have communication, influence, and persuasion, but the other majority of sales is marketing, and letting the marketing machine do the work for you. So we're gonna attack it at both angles. We're gonna market it heavily on all social medias and all platforms for short-term rentals, and also make the house look beautiful and extravagant for people that want to rent it. But then we're also going to have influence and persuasion, meaning whenever it's vacant, well, my job's going to be to fill up the vacancies. So you watching, I might be sending you some messages and telling you, hey, it's vacant this date to this date. I got it at a discounted rate. Do you want it? And if I do that for my whole network, I'm sure that we could, you know, book up some spaces in there, you know, not to mention friends and family and people that go to Florida all the time. So good investment there, good tax benefit. You could write off a lot of a short-term rental within the first year. And then more importantly, because life is about more than just money and investments, it's also about pleasure and enjoyment, and enjoying the process. And that's one of the goals I'm going to focus on in 2026, is enjoying the process. So hopefully a lot of times when it's vacant, I could use it with my beautiful family and enjoy it and work from there. I told my wife the goal is we don't want to see a winter again, so hopefully that's going to come in the future. Not quite there yet. We still love Michigan and Detroit, but yeah, I'm over these winters. I mean, right now it's freezing in Michigan, so I'm not excited to go back. But yeah, you keep setting these goals, and you hit a goal, then you raise a goal. The goals used to be owning a home, now the goals are owning 10 homes. And you know, as you keep raising these goals and hitting these goals, you got to remember the enjoyment is inside of the process.
Oceanfront view with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a wraparound balcony, 2 more houses which were great investments, and an Airbnb that you get to use, rent, and let it pay itself off.
I had a goal about 5-6 years ago to fly my parents out on a nice vacation. This is before I had anything. Now I'm out here on a boat with my dad over there having a cigar. Perspective. Really is just perspective. Shows you that, you know, anything you put in your vision, anything you keep in front of you, ends up happening.
So yeah, if you're listening to this and you're in sales, you could do this too. If you just focus, put your head down, work with your heart, your passion, and your soul, put it all in. Really try to help people. Focus on the habits and the goals of finding success. Set goals. Don't let the small things get in your way. Don't let the negativity stop you. Don't let the curveballs deter your path. I think you could also start accomplishing your goals and doing the things you want to do in your life. Also, for me, I'm not big in buying objects or materials, you know, cars, motorcycles, boats. Like, I think one of the best investments you can make is real estate. And I think within real estate, it's a good tax benefit. Usually houses are appreciating if you buy them in the right area. And if you rent them out and market it and sell it the right way, you'll follow me on the journey and see how I'm going to do it. I think it'll bring you back a good ROI, return on investment, or at least you could work hard and cover up whatever expenses left. Hopefully in 10, 20, 30 years, have some free and clear properties, or properties that you could leverage more cash from. And that is the goal. And I'll tell you, I couldn't do it without one of the best partners and mentors pushing me to do it. She's right there reading Dolores right now. Shout out to Catherine McBroom.
Keep left to stay on I-95.
You're no longer a McBroom, but I started off watching Austin, so that's how I know you. But yeah, my wife loves your books, girl. Keep doing it. You're doing it right. 7 million followers and running. I told her. 7 million followers and running. And I was making fun of her about the book. And then I told her, you got my respect. You're doing something right, so I need to watch you and learn. You know, I don't have any ego when it comes to growth, so. What's her last name now?
Tan.
Catherine Tan?
Tan.
Tan. 10. Like the number 10. Catherine 10. God bless you and Igor, girl. Keep doing it. It's been a while since I've vlogged like this, bro. It feels good. I've been holding the camera like this for like 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. 2015, 16, yeah. We've been doing this shit a long time. People think it comes easy. Nothing comes easy. Everything comes with humiliation, hard work, failures, setbacks, emotion, pain, pleasure. It's a roller coaster, that's for sure. But we stuck to it.
You got me hypnotized. You make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night I'm about to lose my mind.
This is it, our new Florida vacation home. We haven't seen the house yet, but we're already ordering a game room for it that's coming in. Focused on upgrades right away. Oh!
Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you.
I'm really happy you guys like the place.
Thank you.
So right behind the house, we got the canal where you could actually dock the boat or go fishing. And then right in front of the house, we're about a block or two from downtown and the beach. Only about 10-minute walk from Margaritaville, which is nice because they got a nice downtown area as well and a bunch of beach bars as well. I have an app and all they do is take tips. As you can see, it's only 2 to 3 minutes from Boardwalk Hollywood, Boardwalk Beach, right back home.